Welcome everybody, this is Thomas Guillemin. I'm in charge of the digital processing platforms at Teledyne e2v. I'm very proud today to demonstrate one of our top 3 products for space, aerospace and defense customers. That solution is called CORMINO, and CORMINO is a very compact computing platform that is embedding a gigahertz class processing solution, ARM or PowerPC, and a very compact high-speed memory, very compact DDR4 memory. Indeed, today the current trends we see on the markets and the trend we see from our customers are, I would say, mainly 3 things. The first one is to embed more and more computing, more and more heavy computing capabilities in their systems to perform even more demanding use cases, such as heavy computing in space, artificial intelligence in space, or even AI in defense systems. That's what I call the first point. The second important point for our customers is to improve the size, weight, and power swap, to improve the swap of their systems. And this is valid whatever we consider a CubeSat, a very small satellite in space, or even a constrained environment in an avionics system. The third point is, of course, one of our Teledyne e2v differentiators, is the capability to provide long-term supply for all our customers. So let's dig now into the product in details. As I shared, CORMINO is a very compact, compute-intensive platform, and CORMINO is 44 mm by 26 mm, so very small computing platform, embedding a gigahertz class ARM or PowerPC processor and a very high-speed DDR4 memory, and that one is 4 GB of DDR4 memory. So indeed, a very small product, and the processor is connected to the memory through 72 bits of communications, and 8 bits of this communication bus are dedicated to ECC, Error Correction Code, which is mandatory for aerospace and system safety critical systems, I would say, as well as defense systems. All key peripherals such as PCI Express, Gigabyte Ethernet switches can be connected, of course, to the platform. So as a component, we can see that this is very promising, but the big chunk of the value that is brought by this CORMINO is when we put that system into its complete environment. And this is what we are demonstrating here. The reference platform of CORMINO is demonstrated the system in its complete ecosystem of hardware and software partners. This is what we are demonstrating here on this platform. Here is Teledyne e2v development kit. So we can see the CORMINO that is included on the platform itself, on the hardware platform. CORMINO is running here. And the demonstration here is representing a UAV, ground control station avionics display. On this demonstration, the application is receiving a multiple amount of different signals, such as GPS coordinates, the speed, the positioning, altitude, some radar pictures, some radar information, and some pictures from the system directly. The application itself, the UI of the application, is developed by Presagis. It's Presagis VAPS XT tool. CORMINO is running Wind River VxWorks 7 real-time operating system. And the graphic part is provided by CoreVI, and CoreVI is providing the Argus Core Safety Critical, Argus Core SC 1.0.1 drivers. Obviously, the reference platform here is composed of the CORMINO itself, QT1040-4 GB, and as well the AMD Radeon E8860 GPU, Graphical Processing Unit. So we can see on this demonstration that CORMINO is a perfect tool, it's a perfect device and perfect platform to run multiple kind of embedded safety critical applications, and that's what we demonstrate here. And on top of that, we can see that CORMINO is perfectly integrated in its hardware and software ecosystem of partners. That's what we are showing here. Now, to conclude, so you've seen the CORMINO QT1040-4 GB running in its ecosystem of partners. CORMINO QT1040 is based on a T1040 NXP quad power PC processor, and Cormino is also available in an ARM Cortex-A72 version with the same range of memory, of DDR4 memory. Teledyne e2v has the capability to provide variants of this device with a bit more memory if needed, and also with variants of these processors. The reference platforms are available for both PowerPC version and ARM Cortex-A72 version. And Teledyne e2v is, by the way, developing and qualifying a space variant of this device, which is called QLS1046 4GB-space. And this particular product will be delivered with radiation information, both SEE and TID, and will also be delivered with a radiation mitigation package to enable computing and understanding what may happen in space due to radiation effects. Again, Cormino platform is available in both PowerPC and ARM, so please contact us if you have any requests or any interest to develop some software or some product on these applications. Please feel free to contact us for any question you may have. Thank you.